Let me give you this scenario. Go to an auto parts store. Go to Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot. You're looking for something. Can't find it. You're gonna ask the kid riding up and down the aisles on a pallet jack? No. You're looking for Ron Swanson, Bob Vila. Some guys that know what in the hell they're talking about. Oh, here's some food for thought. Did you know that a chainsaw was invented in the late 1700s as an aid in childbirth? Think about that for a second.
Have a good day.